Gigimurin! Welcome to the Coughing Baby Show with my co-host, Fauna!
Fauna! Hello, everybody. I'm looking forward to hearing some good baby coughs today.
Some very good baby coughs. I'm so lucky to have a beautiful, wonderful co-host who definitely knows so much about baby coughing. We will be judging everyone's cough based on 3 categories. The 3 categories, the first one is baby similarity. How similar is this cough to a baby? The second category is sound frequencies. You know, tickle the frequencies of my ears that remind me if this person is a baby. And the last category is goo goo gaga. Very, very serious category.
I understand.
So these are the 3 categories we'll be judging on. And we've got many, many contestants here today that are gonna be fighting for the title of Best Baby Cougher! Who do you think is gonna win? Out of the list that I've sent you, do you have any
let
predictions?
me look. I think that it's gotta be Zeta.
You think that is the best baby?
I think that she is... I don't know, because, you know, you have your babies, like Bee-Boo. But I think that maybe someone who's not a baby already will be able to tap into their, you know, their baby attributes and bring us something that we've never seen before, never heard before.
The inner baby.
Yeah, their inner baby. Do you have a favorite today?
If I have a favorite, I will say the expected. Bee-Boo's always such a good baby. Like
It's true.
Baby, but is that the safe choice to go with the baby?
I'm expecting a very high goo goo gaga score from her.
I will. One added thing is that the both of us have not seen any of the contestants' entries. I am completely blind. Fauna just got the document of this show 30 minutes ago. So I hope everyone is ready. And let's bring on the first contestant. According to my notes, that will be Cece!
Let's hear that baby cough.
I'm throwing a tomato. Wow.
It's so hard to judge having nothing to compare to.
Yeah, that's true. Is it because since she's first, will we be harsher on her, or will she get a better score because we don't have a baby to really compare her to?
Right? You see, I feel like I got a baby at the start, but I feel like towards the end,
you lost it. You're losing the baby.
Yeah.
So it really did feel like the usual automaton manipulation tactics. I will say baby similarity, it kind of gave baby, you know, sound frequencies. She didn't give me any baby sound frequencies. I wasn't feeling it. My ears weren't tingling with the sense of a baby. But Goo Goo Gaga, it's middling as well. We have gotten our numbers. 1, 2, 3. You are just an average baby. Bring on the next contestant, please.
Mama! I'm Makako!
So cute.
I feel like that was really good. I don't know.
Right off the bat, I think the Goo Goo Gaga. Oh my god, the Goo Goo Gaga. That is amazing. Impeccable Goo Goo Gaga.
For me, I was getting the sound frequencies.
But the baby similarity.
Maybe it was too similar to regular Mococo.
Yes, 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 exactly! It just... I felt Mococo. I am putting my vote in on the count of 3.
All right, I'm ready.
1, 2, 3. Our Mococo votes. I don't know what she could have done to be better. Maybe it's me. We are looking for actors here. But
That's right.
I just sensed herself, and she's perfect as herself, but as a baby. Could I really see her as a baby, or was I only seeing Mococo? Oh, we can only continue on from here. So the next contestant, bring her on, please.
Opa! I'm Narichiwa! I'm Fuwamoco!
She's so cute, but was
She
a
is
baby.
cute. I feel like I wasn't getting coughing.
Maybe laughing baby.
Maybe
it was kind of like a
laughing?
giggling baby.
Yeah.
I was feeling happiness from her coughing. It
Me
really
too.
was.
A
But
coughing
baby-
baby should be sad. It should make you feel sad.
1, 2, 3. Here are our scores for this beautiful baby. Please bring on our next contestant.
I wanted more.
She made me. I was craving. I would say baby similarity was high because that's something. It's like the whimsy only a baby could pull off.
It's true.
Yes, is that one singular cough because she knows she can't keep up that baby
Yeah,
coughing
yeah.
quality?
So I'm
And
gonna
then-
have to dock some points
Yeah.
for that.
And a 1, 2, 3. Yes, the only thing she could have done better is cough more. Give us a little more baby. Bring on the next baby!
Yeah! This is Raoraphantera from Hololive English. Justice! Rao! Rao!
Now that was a pretty good baby.
I have to say, those sound frequencies were doing something to me. and she had the length too, the duration
Yes.
too.
She really could keep up the coughing baby.
She could.
I wasn't left wanting. I was
No.
like, no, that is the perfect baby duration.
And I would say the goo gaga was there as well. A little bit of sad whininess.
I suppose it's always... We should have known. She is Mama Raora, right? So she
she knows.
definitely knows. Can't help but admit, I will tell to everyone out there that I am biased. These are biased scores.
We are your biased hosts today.
We are your most biased coughing baby host. This show may or may not be rigged. Who knows? On the count of 3, our scores
All
will
right.
appear. 1, 2, 3. Pretty good score, I have to say.
Pretty high scores.
Next contestant.
Another cute contestant.
Pretty good baby.
Another pretty good baby. I have to say, I was fully convinced right at the end. I got a little bit of Chihuahua in there. Just right at the end. So I may have to deduct a little bit from baby similarity for the end.
But you're right. It does share the same problems with Rara's performance, where it was just giving Rara. It was giving Kiara at the end of that.
Just a bit at the end.
1,
right.
2, 3. Pretty high babies.
Pretty high scores, like once again.
Bring on the next baby.
Cuckoo gaga. Cuckoo gaga.
I have to say, Goo Goo Gagas, that's a 10 in Goo Goo Gaga.
That is a 10 in Goo Goo Gagas, for sure.
But everything else, baby similarity, she looked like a baby. I will say that.
She did look like a baby. But the sound frequencies were not coughs.
Yeah.
Not at all.
Yeah, I will have to... sorry, Shiori, but that was not... You were not giving coughing. You were giving Goo Goo Gagas. 1, 2, 3. It's... Yeah, I think this is the first time we flip-flopped. I've been really harsh on everyone else, but I felt like her baby similarity. It's her makeup.
It wasn't a cough. It just wasn't a cough.
Bring on the next baby! This one better cough.
Well, that was unexpected.
I was caught off guard, yes.
Was that a real sneeze, though?
It sounded
It's hard
like...
to fake a sneeze.
Yeah.
So if that was like a fake sneeze, that was very impressive.
I know! What? On our room... Okay, sound frequency may be high because it sounded like a real sneeze, but everything else... 0. 0! I'm ready to give my score.
All right, me too.
1, 2, 3. She didn't cough.
Well, neither did Shiori.
Shiori dressed up as a baby. Yeah. You had a very good sneeze, though. That sounded like
It
a
was
real
impressive.
sneeze.
Yeah.
We were impressed.
Mm-hmm.
Bring on the next baby! My goodness! I didn't know we would be getting Sakia today.
That was very cute.
That was so cute.
Was that
And
a real baby?
It looked like a real baby.
That was very cute. I feel like I was missing a little bit of the raspiness that you would expect from a cough.
Yeah.
But to me, that was pretty much perfect in the Goo Goo Gagas.
A good Goo Goo Gaga.
And very high on the sound frequencies, too.
All right. 1, 2, 3. It's still a high baby score.
For me, I don't know. It was just very cute. I had a hard time.
But I have to be a fair judge.
One of us has to be.
Are you admitting to being biased?
Or am I accusing?
Accusing me? No. Bring on the next baby! There's no collusion in this! According to my notes, it says that one of staff wanted to submit a coughing baby.
Thank you, Staff-san.
Thank you, Staff-san.
I feel like I was so stunned that I didn't process what I was hearing properly.
You're like, oh my goodness, staff submitted a coughing baby.
I was trying to figure out which staff member it was, but I no!
Oh, well, playback, playback. Well, staff, I was getting the frequencies, but I don't think I was getting a goo goo gaga, but it might just be because it's staff.
Maybe. I wasn't getting much goo goo gaga either, though.
I really appreciate that they wanted to be a part of the coughing baby contest, though.
Yeah, me too.
All right, staff son. 1, 2, 3. It seems that we've come to an agreement on staff. Yes. It was...
But don't let this discourage you.
Do not be discouraged. Keep coughing.
Keep coughing.
We believe in you. Bring the next baby. Baby.
I think I called it. I think that was very good.
You really did. You did call it.
I knew she had a baby cough in her.
The sound frequency, I was like, dang, that got a little bit of the rasp in there.
Yeah.
I was feeling the coughing of a baby. Maybe similarity too. She was crying.
Yeah.
I have to give a good score on this. Would you hire this baby over the other babies?
I think I would. I think she had a well-rounded performance of coughing, of crying, of goo goo gaga baby.
Would you say you're biased? Would you say you judged her based off of the bias?
No, well, maybe a little bit of confirmation bias. I knew she had it in her.
So you want her to win, so you're right!
No, I think I'm judging fairly.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Still a good baby.
Yeah, still a very high score.
Next baby, please.
Bring in the babies.
Kosekibijou.
Oh man. She was giving baby the pacifier
really
and everything.
The pacifier spitting out and then putting it back in. That was very good.
Oh my god, her goo goo gaga. Her baby similarity. I will have to give. This is my first 10 for baby similarity.
She was essentially a baby.
She was baby. But sound frequency, she was coughing a little too much. It's like child coughing plague?
Plague? I'm gonna have to agree with you. I was getting bee-boo coughs. And she is a baby, but I wanted to hear sort of a different baby. I wanted to see some of her, her range.
Ah, yes. I am ready to give my score for this baby. 1, 2, 3. What a beautiful, terrific. She's almost a 9 for you. And Zeta was almost a 9 too.
They were the two favorites coming in.
They were the two favorites coming into the show. Bring on the next baby.
Oh, sorry. Didn't see you there. Hololive English Advent's Devilish Diva, the one and only Nerissaravencroft. Thank you.
She was not giving baby for me. She was giving sexy.
Was it the pose?
Maybe the pose influenced me.
I felt like it was a very clean performance. There. No frills.
Yes. She's the baby I would hire. You know how when people film like high school shows, but they hire adults to play the high schoolers? She's the person I would hire for my show like that. And I would hire her to play the baby because I know she's professional. 1, 2, 3. It seems like we once again agree on this score.
I didn't copy your homework.
I'm ready for the next baby. Bring on the next baby.
Hi, I'm Kureijiollie. Here's my baby cough attempt.
Where did she go?
Another simple performance.
That leaves us wanting. There's so much mystery.
The quietest I've ever heard Ollie, though. I want to give her points just for that.
She did send in with her entry. She really wanted to get an entry in, but she is feeling a little sick, as everyone is getting sick during the holidays.
Yeah.
But her performance was the one singular cough, which is understandable because she's sick. But unfortunately, we grade off of what you sent in. 1, 2, 3. Again, the same score.
I inputted my score first this time.
Hey, we have different scores for the categories. It's just our rounding. It's the same mind wave, brain wave. I would like to invite her back for the next season of Coughing Baby, though. I think she really has the chops to be the world's next Coughing Baby.
I think so, too.
Bring on the next baby. It appears that this is the last baby.
Final baby.
Our final baby.
Hello, hello. Lovely to see you. Lovely. And I am here to take part in the baby coughing contest.
I'm speechless.
That sounded like a real baby. She sounded almost disappointed in herself at the end there, but I was not left disappointed.
Yes, I would hire this baby. Man, oh man, that was a baby.
It wasn't just the coughing either. It was the coughing, but also the extras. The other baby noises on top of it were there.
Her performance, this woman should be on Broadway.
She should be.
The perfect singing baby. I have to admit, I am sometimes a biased judge, and I am very well acquainted with Liz, so every time I see her, I don't see a baby. So I was making eye contact with her. If she had different wardrobe or she used baby makeup, I think she would have rated her in baby similarity, but I can't get past the fact that I see Liz coughing.
I see. I can't help but wonder if she watched a video of a baby coughing and then... Did Liz throw that tomato? I can't help but wonder if she watched a video of a baby coughing and then emulated it.
I'm ready to put my score in.
Me too.
1, 2, 3. She is the perfect baby for you.
think if I closed my eyes, I wouldn't be able to tell her
Your
apart from a real
unbiased baby.
Yeah.
All right. Well, I think that there is not a very clear winner, which is a problem because we only have enough funding to send one person on the all-expensed trip.
Uh-oh.
Maybe we can play it twice? Can we send them on the same trip? Let me ask the staff. Okay, yes, we have enough. We can send them on the same trip. Good news, everyone. Before we announce the winners today, can we give a round of applause for our backstage? Our backstage.
Thank you, both.
Beautiful backstage! Thank you! Wonderful.
Great baby coughs.
Yeah. It's a good thing that they were not in the show.
Yeah.
And one final thing. I had Rhea chase down this contestant far low. Like, I had her running around everywhere. I was working her to the bone to get this contestant. But when she got the video from the contestant, I immediately disqualified them because it was not a baby cough. But I've decided to play the video here for you today, Fauna.
For me?
Yes, I will let you see the video.
Let's see it.
Bring the video in. Roll it in.
Hi, series Fauna of Hololivepromise. It's me, Northern Lion. And you're awesome.
Is this real?
It's real life. It is the real video I had Rhea hunting down this very precious video.
Oh my goodness. No way.
What would you rate? Put your score on the screen. I have to give this,
Oh my
this
God.
guy a 0, though. It was not a baby.
Is that what you didn't want me to see in
Yes.
setup? Is that
You
the
cannot
secret?
see that in setup. It was the secret in setup.
This was literally the last thing I was ever expecting.
Well, thank you all for joining the Coughing Baby Show. Do you have any final words to add before I announce the winners, Fauna?
Oh my goodness, I'm shocked. I was expecting Yago, maybe.
You're like, oh, Yago sent a video.
Yeah.
the camera flicked off. Well, I'm glad to have subverted your expectations.
You did.
And drum roll. The winners tied today is Liz and Zeta. Congratulations! You win! Oh, out of all these contestants, it is Liz and Zeta. You win an all-paid expensed trip to somewhere. Let's see
Somewhere.
the winners enjoy their vacation. Oh, Liz, yes! Congratulations, Liz.
Beautiful trophy right there.
Beautiful.
Gorgeous.
Yes, this is where we spent all our money on. She's on her expense trip, going somewhere.
Going where exactly?
Somewhere.
Somewhere.
She is somewhere.
Looks nice. She's laying there. She looks so comfy.
And she gets to have a lovely dinner date with the trophy.
With the trophy.
Congratulations,
Wow.
Liz!
Congratulations.
If you can come on stage. Oh, there she is! Ready
There's
for
our
the trip.
baby.
There's our baby. The babies of today. Truly, truly beautiful. The same exact trip.
You would think they could have gone together.
No,
They wouldn't have to eat dinner just with the trophies.
They had to go one at a time. It doesn't make sense to have two babies go on the same trip.
Yeah, lots to take care of, I guess. 2 babies.
Thank you, everyone, for joining us today, and thank you to my wonderful co-host, Ceresfauna.
Oh, thank you, Gigi. Thank you for having me. This has been a great time.
Very, very happy to have had you. I hope everyone, please, keep voting for our show. If we get very good reviews, maybe they'll keep us on air. If not, look forward to a canceled announcement next week. Who knows?
Oh, I don't have a good feeling about this one.
Oh no! I just can't imagine why. Well, thank you, everyone, and good night. Goodbye.
Thank you.